Firstly, switch on the meter and plug in the ISE. Then unscrew the 100 ppm chloride standard that comes with the kit. Remove the cap and place the electrode in the standard. Press a mode until you are in ion 1 mode. Press Cal to start the calibration. Use the right arrow to select the 100 ppm standard. Press read and wait for the electrode to stabilize. Remove the electrode and blot dry. Unscrew and place the electrode in the 1000 ppm standard. Press Cal to accept the first calibration point and press the right arrow to select 1000 ppm as the second point. Press read and wait for stability. Press the right arrow to accept the calibration. The meter is now calibrated. Place the electrode in the rinse solution and dab dry. We are now ready to carry out the test. Pour out some deionized water into a beaker. Then syringe 20 ml of the ISE solution into a separate beaker. Next, place the template on the test surface and take a swab from the kit. Swab the test area thoroughly. Place the swab in the ISE solution and mix using the stirrer. Transfer 10 ml of the mixture into the third beaker. Place the electrode in the solution and stir. Press read to take the measurement. Wait for stability. If you are happy that it's stable, press read. The test result is now displayed on the screen. Lastly, rinse the probe ready for storage. For complete accuracy, it is advised to run a test with a blank swab and subtract the result.